life that never ends may be within our grasp, thanks to the discovery of an anti-aging elixir found right inside our bodies. Dr. Ivona Percec at the University of Pennsylvania is working with a mysterious substance called Sirtuin, a protein capable of delaying the aging process at the molecular level.
The Sirtuin proteins were found to play a role in aging. One of the best-known studies is where mice that were fed a diet that was restricted in calories had significantly longer lifespans. One of the set of genes that were changed by restricting calories was one of the Sirtuin genes.
Scientists realize that Sirtuin genes are activated by the threat of starvation. The genes produce a protein that shuts down other genes in the mice, conserving energy as they endure the famine. The result? The mice live twice as long.
So here we have the fat or adipose tissue. There is a huge benefit when you're working with primary human tissues because everything that we learn is in native, normal tissues, and that has a fast translatability to medicine.
The first task for Percec is to search the human genome to find out where sirtuins are interacting with other genes. She's still gathering data, but already finding huge differences between the cells of the young and the old.
The young cells, the red, there is Sirtuin 7 binding in areas where there are not many genes, and in this same area, this protein is depleted in older patients, so it's lost in those regions. And this is true across all of the chromosomes that we've looked at.
The chromosomes in human DNA contain about 3 billion genes, most of which must be kept silent to prevent the breakdown of our cells. The Sirtuin protein is like the National Guard of our DNA, keeping these unused genes in lockdown mode. So if sirtuins are called away on another job, like repairing DNA damage from a toxin, the prisoner genes in our cells light up, causing chaos and aging.
We hope to prevent aging in younger patients and recapitulate a more youthful molecular profile in older patients.
In a few decades, perhaps we'll take a pill to balance our Sirtuin levels to make sure that dormant genes stay turned off. And this in turn could vastly increase our life expectancy.